welcome to everyone. I hope you all are doing good. तो आज एक ऐसा टॉपिक we are going to discuss जिसके लिए many students come to me and ask me कि मैम क्लैट की प्रेपरेशन इतनी ज़्यादा इंटेंसिव है, it is too much to handle. हम लोग कैसे मोटिवेटेड रहे throughout the preparation? Now, many of you might be preparing since grade 11, many of you might have just started and you might be overwhelmed. Many of you might be droppers who are giving yourself another chance. तो अब सबका केस डिफरेंट है, but the question remains the same कि मैम motivated कैसे रहे during the preparation for CLAT. So I am going to answer that question, and trust me, it is not a motivational talk. I am going to give you logical tips which will help you stay motivated during your preparation. So let's get started. Alright, so here how to stay motivated during CLAT preparation. सबसे पहला question, why do we need to stay motivated? अगर आप motivated नहीं ना होगे, जितनी मर्जी strategies आप use कर लो, they won't work, right? Moreover, CLAT जो है, it is a paper which constitutes 5 sections, right? There are 5 sections and there are numerous topics in it, right? The syllabus is vast. Along with that, you have to manage your grade 12, you have to manage the competition pressure, right? All these things need to be managed. अब इसके साथ एक और चीज़ ऐड हो जाती है, वो है मॉक के scores. मैम इतना सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज करें, right? This is where you start losing your motivation, right? Now let's just talk कि इन सब चीज़ों से डील कैसे करना है. So how to stay motivated during CLAT preparation? First thing first, you're doing everything right. Hours of study, strategy videos, switching sources when you plateau, right? अभी तक बहुत सारे students ऐसे होंगे जिनको ये first sentence देके ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि यार ये तो हम सब कर रहे हैं, we're doing everything. हम लोग strategy videos देख रहे हैं, we are putting in a long number of hours, right? हम ये सब कर रहे हैं. But still we are not able to get that output which we deserve, right? अब यहाँ पे you wait for motivation to come back before studying. बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है ना कि starting में in the starting of the day only we say यार आज ना motivation नहीं है, आज नहीं हो पाएगा ये. Next, you spend 5 hours studying but know what exactly or what actually improved. आप 5 घंटे पढ़ तो रहे हो रोज, बट आप ये नहीं ट्रैक कर पा रहे हो कि आपका जो इम्प्रूवमेंट है और आप जो पढ़ रहे हो वो कैसे आपकी प्रेपरेशन को इम्प्रूव कर रहा है. देन यू क्रैश ऑन बैड डेज विद जीरो बैकअप. ये तो सबके साथ होता है, राइट? देयर आर सर्टेन डेज वेयरइन वी डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, राइट? Then you zone out mid RCs and blame your focus. Most of the time this happens. Students while reading their RCs they get lost. पता ही नहीं है starting कहाँ से हुआ, end कहाँ पे हुआ, right? They are not able to paraphrase the RCs. This is quite a common thing that happens with everyone, right? You feel alone, burnt out and stuck in your head because you feel कि हमारी situation कोई और नहीं समझ रहा है and we are the ones who are able to understand what we are going through. यही होता है सबके साथ, right? Now let's see how to overcome that. So now let's just start. First thing first, waiting to feel motivated is the first mistake. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि आप सुबह उठो all of a sudden and you decide, oh आज तो motivation है ही नहीं. There's nothing like that. You've had proper sleep, you're waking up at normal time, you should feel the same, right? How can you decide early in the morning कि आज तो motivation ही नहीं है, right? So change that in you. Motivation is not the spark, it is the outcome, right? It is the outcome. Don't wait for yourself to feel as if you are willing to work now, right? Don't wait for yourself here. So if you're waiting to feel like studying, you're already falling behind. As I've already said, you cannot decide early in the morning without even putting in efforts कि यार आज तो efforts करने का मन ही नहीं है, right? Now, fix. What is the fix here? Lock in a starter ritual. हमेशा अपने लिए ना एक starter ritual start करो कि this is how I'm going to start my day. For example, you wake up early in the morning, go for a run, go for a jog. whatsoever you want to do, whatsoever makes you feel light and comfortable, right? किसी को रोज सुबह उठ के अगर गाने सुनने पसंद है, just listen to the songs, right? And then make it a promise to yourself कि अब इसके बाद मैं पढ़ने बैठूंगा डायरेक्ट, right? And what do I mean by पढ़ने बैठूंगा? I don't mean to say कि आप hardcore studies start कर दो all of a sudden, but what you can do is you can take up, let's say, 1 RC, or you can take up one topic, right, and solve a few questions related to that particular topic, right? So I have given an example here. You wake up, walk for 5 minutes, sit with 1 RC passage, right? And this is a morning ritual which you should follow on a daily basis, so that आप अपने दिमाग को ये मत बोलो कि यार अभी prepare होते हैं, then we'll see कि आज motivated है या नहीं, right? Now let's just move ahead. You're confused, right? You've confused productivity with progress. Now what is productivity? If I ask you what is productivity, क्या आप बता सकते हो productivity क्या है या progress क्या है? या फिर अगर आप इन दोनों का पता है तो आप इन दोनों को assess कैसे कर रहे हो? आप नहीं कर सकते, right? Now let's just see. 5 hours daily sounds productive. मुझे भी लगता, अगर मैं 5 घंटे पढ़ रही हूँ तो मुझे लगेगा oh I'll do everything, right? I can do anything and everything. Then, but what did it produce? This is the biggest question, and this is the only question that you should ask to yourself कि अगर आप 5 घंटे पढ़ रहे हो तो उसका result क्या आ रहा है? What is the outcome of you studying for so long, right? तो यहाँ पे most people burn out because they study long but don't know what it added. Exactly. So इसके लिए एक छोटी सी टिप है यहाँ पे जो आपको समझनी है. See, you need to set weekly outcome goals. ठीक है, आपको अपने लिए weekly outcome goals set करने हैं. We are not saying कि आप long term goals बनाओ. Long term goal is as such clear that you want to clear CLAT, right? आपके वीकली गोल्स होने ज़रूरी है, आपके मंथली गोल्स होने ज़रूरी है, एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट कि आपके डेली गोल्स होने भी ज़रूरी है. यू शुड हैव अ गोल इन योर हैंड, ओनली देन विल यू स्टे मोटिवेटेड, राइट? Now here, for example, I have given a fix here. Set weekly outcome goals, for example 4 RCs with 80% accuracy. Why haven't I written 100% accuracy? It is very difficult, right? I don't want any one of you to set such standards जो बहुत impractical हों, right? यहाँ पे finish June, July GK and revise once, right? Improve legal by 5 marks in next mock, right? This is just an example of how you set your weekly goals, right? It is your preparation and you know how well you are preparing, so set your goals accordingly, but do set weekly goals for yourself. And also please do track your progress. Please do track whether the goals that you've set for yourself, are you able to achieve them or not, right? Now moving ahead, use a low motivation day as a backup plan. Of course there are certain days wherein we don't feel like आज कुछ करना है, right? There are a few days wherein we feel यार आज तो rest करेंगे. There are a few days wherein we feel आज नहीं होगा because I'm not in the mood of it, right? So let's just see what to do in that case. So whenever you have such a low motivation day, then what do? See, here you either stop studying for that day or you don't put in that much of effort. So how to make sure that you stay consistent even in such days? Let's just see, there is a fix for you. Make a list for 3 fallback tasks for your tired days. What are fallback tasks here? These are the tasks which are easy, which you otherwise can't do, right? For example, solve 1 mini set of past RCs, right? Now most of the people who are preparing know it very well कि RCs ना हम लोग ज़्यादा रिवाइज नहीं कर पाते, right? तो यहाँ पे एक मिनी सेट ऑफ द RCs, रिवाइज द लास्ट लीगल एरर लॉग. कितने लोग हैं जो अपनी मिस्टेक्स को दोबारा जाके देखते हैं कि ओ दीज आर द मिस्टेक्स दैट वी कमिटेड, राइट? वी डोंट, राइट? वॉच अ 15-minute current affairs video and take notes. Easy, right? So keep the easy tasks and usually revision वाला जो task है for such days, right? It will help you. अगर आप इन तीनों में से कोई एक भी कर लेते हो, right? आपका momentum फिर दोबारा से set हो जाएगा to study, right? So this is how you can come out of that low mood, right? Low motivation zone, and you can actually feel motivated. Now moving ahead, build friction around distractions. Now what sort of distractions do we have? See, mobile phone, one of the biggest distraction, not only for you but for me as well, right? तो हम लोग इसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, हम लोग कुछ apps को लॉक कर सकते हैं, right? वैसे तो I'll suggest you कि keep your phone away. Why to lock any app, right? कभी ना कभी तो आप यूज करोगे, right? So just see here, you don't need more motivation, you need fewer easy exits. For example, block YouTube, Instagram. हाँ, one mistake that most of the people keep on committing is they keep on seeing topper की videos. टॉपर आपको बनना है, आपको टॉपर के वीडियोस नहीं देखने हैं, राइट? सो स्टॉप स्क्रोलिंग, स्टॉप सीइंग स्ट्रैटेजीज ऑफ टॉपर्स. उनकी अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी है, उनकी अपनी प्रेपरेशन थी, right? It is your preparation, you have to make a strategy for yourself, right? Block YouTube, Instagram on your phone using app block or digital well-being, right? ये कुछ तरीके से आप ब्लॉक कर सकते हो, राइट? पुट योर फोन इन अनदर रूम बिफोर मॉक सेशंस. ऑफ कोर्स आपके मॉक्स विदाउट फोन्स होने चाहिए, विदाउट डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होने चाहिए, एज इफ यू आर गिविंग द फाइनल पेपर, राइट? नेक्स्ट, कीप ओनली वन टैब ओपन व्हाइल स्टडिंग. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज, एक तरफ हमारा इंस्टाग्राम खुला होता है, एक तरफ वी हैव टेलीग्राम, वहाँ से नोट्स देख रहे होते हैं, एंड देन वी आर ऑल्सो स्टडिंग एट द सेम टाइम. सी, यू नीड टू फोकस, राइट? एंड अगर आपको फोकस करना है तो आप एक टाइम पे एक ही चीज़ पे फोकस कर सकते हो. सो मेक श्योर कोई मल्टीपल टैब्स ओपन ना हो, राइट? नाउ मूविंग अहेड, add pressure but controlled pressure. See, I am not saying that you should not feel pressurized, right? You should, because human beings की ना एक tendency होती है, till the time we are not pressurized, we don't tend to work efficiently, right? So यहाँ पे you are flatlining because nothing is at stake, right? So no urgency, no focus. I'll give you an example here. Let's say you have to submit a project, right? You have to submit a project after 15 days, you'll be all chill and cool and you'll be like कर लेंगे, right? अब वही project को अगर 2 या 3 दिन रह जाए, imagine the level of urgency that is created in your head and you start working upon it, and that too quite diligently, right? वही diligence अगर आप अपनी preparation में maintain करो, imagine the outcome. This is what I'm trying to tell you, right? So what is the fix here? That every Sunday set a micro goal with a friend. Let it be a friend who is actually preparing with you, right? For example, let's both aim for 10 plus in Monday's legal mock, right? Whoever does better picks the next GK topic, right? So that competition spirit, right? That competitive spirit wherein you want to fight and you want to win is maintained here. अनदर थिंग, अगर आप अपने किसी सीनियर को या अपने मेंटर को ये बोलते हो कि प्लीज गिव मी अ फ्यू गोल्स, लेट्स से आप खुद नहीं गोल्स बना सकते, योर मेंटर कैन हेल्प यू आउट हियर, राइट? एंड यहाँ पे आपका मेंटर आपको बता सकता है कि आपको ये काम करना है, या लेट्स से यू हैव कमिटेड टू योर मेंटर कि मैं ये काम आपको इस वीक में करके दूंगा, राइट? दैट इज वेयर जहाँ पे आपका प्रेशर डेवलप शुरू होगा आपके माइंड पे, एंड दैट इज वेयर यू विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग, राइट? So light accountability, again I am focusing on the word light accountability. Accountability का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा burden लेके चलो, right? But make sure light accountability should be there, right? Now take fewer inputs, build one system. What do I mean by that? Most motivation dies under content overload. As I've already said, CLAT is not an easy paper, right? It has 5 sections, it has hell lot of topics for you to cover, right? अब इतने overload में हमारा motivation कम होना, it is quite obvious, right? किसी का भी in that case. So here you need to make sure that you're watching 3 strategy videos a day but can't finish 1 RC set without zoning out. बड़ी obvious सी चीज़ें हैं, right? हम motivation लेने के लिए दोबारा से जाते हैं, topper stock देखते हैं, right? बट हम लोग वो काम नहीं कर रहे जो हमें करना चाहिए, दैट इज प्रेपरेशन, राइट? सो हियर पिक वन स्ट्रैटेजी पर सेक्शन, राइट? आप कोई एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओ हर एक सेक्शन के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट इज इंग्लिश, राइट? इंग्लिश के लिए आप एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओ एंड स्टिक टू इट, राइट। देन कट डाउन टू 2 GK सोर्सेज एट मैक्स। सोर्सेज जितने मिनिमम रखोगे उतनी रिविजन अच्छे से हो सकेगी, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, राइट। स्टॉप स्विचिंग QT रिसोर्सेज एवरी वीक, राइट। कोई भी रिसोर्सेज बार बार शिफ्ट मत करो, आपको खुद नहीं समझ आएगा कि आपने क्या कवर किया है और क्या पेंडिंग है। देन स्टिक टू वन सोर्स, प्रैक्टिस डीपली एंड बिल्ड रियल स्पीड, राइट। प्लीज मेक श्योर, ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ, trust your preparation, trust your sources and trust your strategy, and please maintain them throughout. Of course you can make minor changes into your strategy, you can make minor changes into your sources, but please don't keep on shifting them again and again, right? So less switching is more momentum. You don't need more, you need structure, right? ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो आपने अपने आप को commit किया कि this is what I'll be using, just keep up with it, right? Be committed to it. That is what is required, right? Now moving ahead, focus on showing up, not feeling ready. ये देखते हैं इसमें क्या है। अब some days you won't feel ready. Don't wait for perfect focus. Set a 25-minute timer and start. अब बहुत बार ऐसा होगा जब आपको लगेगा कि no, I'm not ready for it. I'm not ready for a new topic. I'm not ready to learn something today, or I don't want to do it today. राइट तो वहां पे आप अपने लिए एक 25-minute टाइमर यूज करो। यूज सिंपल ट्रिगर्स, ओपन योर प्रैक्टिस सेट, गो थ्रू इट और रीड 1 paragraph. Just get moving, right? Track your daily show up streak to turn attendance into a habit, right? Motivation isn't a magic, it's consistency, especially when you are least motivated. अब एक एग्जांपल दूंगी मैं यहाँ पे। Let's say today I don't want to work, right? I just wake up and all of a sudden I'm like, आज काम नहीं करेंगे, today I'll take an off, right? What should I rather do here is that I should push myself and I should tell myself कि चल, if you have 10 tasks to do, just complete 1 for today, right? And once I complete that 1 task, I'll be in the same momentum again, I'll have the same momentum again, and I'll want to complete everything that I've planned for, right? This is what you need to make sure कि जब भी आपको लगे कि आप नहीं कर सकते हो आज, just start with the best strategy is take a mock. उसका कोई भी सेक्शन उठाओ, कोई भी एक पैसेज उठाओ, वो सॉल्व करना शुरू कर दो। आपसे 1-2 क्वेश्चंस नहीं सॉल्व होंगे ना, योर माइंड विल गेट ट्रिगर्ड एंड यू विल बी लाइक अब तो सॉल्व करना ही है ऐसे, राइट? दिस इज हाउ योर मोटिवेशन विल कम बैक। नाउ ऑनर द एफर्ट of the you who began this preparation. Showing up daily is how to top scorers are made, right? So make sure जब आपने preparation का सोचा था, CLAT का सोचा था, उस टाइम पे जो thought था, just keep that thought in your mind and make sure कि आप उस thought के लिए रोज करो वही सेम चीज, राइट? रोज आप प्रैक्टिस करो, रोज आप अपना एफर्ट डालो उस प्रिपरेशन में, right? Moving ahead, protect your mental edge. What do we mean by mental edge here, right? And most of the people, they don't understand the meaning of mental edge, right? Let us see what it is. So isolation, burnout and stress drain motivation. Usually this happens कि preparation के दौरान we are the only ones who are sitting alone, right? We are tackling with everything alone, right? Burnout, बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं, एक दिन में 6-6, 7-7 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, eventually you will face the burnout, right? And this happens with everyone. It is a very common thing that happens with everyone. Stress हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, मैम पढ़ तो रहे हैं, मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. All these questions, right? They push you, right? They push your mental edge and they will actually push you. So how to stay calm during that time? Let's just see. Take short mindful breaks. Trust me on this. टेक योर ब्रेक्स. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आज आपने 2 घंटे का ब्रेक लेना है, जस्ट टेक दैट ब्रेक, राइट? बिकॉज टिल द टाइम यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, यू वोंट बी एबल टू गिव द रिजल्ट्स, यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट द रिजल्ट्स जो आप अपने आप से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, राइट? मूव, वॉक और डू लाइट एक्सरसाइज, बिकॉज सी एक्सरसाइजेस हेल्प यू टू स्टे calm, composed and energetic, right? Then connect with study buddies to avoid loneliness and stay accountable, right? आप अपनी preparation के बारे में अपने friend से discuss करो, उनकी preparation का सुनो. There you will feel कि oh ये चीज़ें तो मुझे भी करनी है, I should do it, right? And motivation comes back again. Then prioritize sleep and healthy food. Please do that. Don't stay awake till 3 a.m. in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning. That won't give you results, right? Please take optimum sleep, good food, healthy food, right? Notice when you are overwhelmed and pause. Sometimes this happens that you're overwhelmed and you keep on pushing yourself. This won't help you. Rather, it will cause that energy drain, right? And that emotional downfall of yours, right? तो वो मत करो अपने साथ. Please take break. Please अपने लिए breaks रखो, right? Balance efforts with rest and connection. That's the real mental strength, right? What NLTI actually fixes. अब हमारा काम क्या है? How do we do that? This slide is about that, right? Practice by type. We make sure that the students are practicing by type. It is not that they're just doing one type of question. We make sure they are covering each and everything, right? Master one skill at a time. Very important again, right? 21 sets rule. Do 3 sets daily. Right, and for Sundays you can keep just 1 set, right? For each wrong option, explain why it felt right and why it's wrong. ये बहुत important है. अगर आपने कोई mistake करी है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपने वो mistake क्यों करी है, so that you don't repeat it again and again. Then train all CR muscles, right? 2 days only tough above clad questions, 2 days strictly timed sets, 3 days deep untimed solving with full explanation, right? I have talked about it in other videos as well, but again, make sure you divide the syllabus, right? And then you practice it. Here, one more thing. What all do we do and how do we help the students out? First thing first, we make sure you prioritize your strategy over your confusions, right? Then, mentorship that tracks your weak spots. We provide you mentorship wherein the mentors help you to see what are your weaknesses and what are your strengths and work accordingly. फिर उसके बाद structured mock wise improvement. हम ये make sure करते हैं कि आपकी जो mocks है उनको ऐसे analyze किया जाए जिससे आपके जो improvement है, right, वो ensure हो. Then weekly strategies you can actually stick to, right? इससे पहले ना जहाँ पे मैंने बोला ना कि वीकली स्ट्रैटेजीज, उसको ना कट कर देना. ये लास्ट वाली लाइन में कैन आना था, वो कांट आ गया, राइट? सो हियर वीकली स्ट्रैटेजीज यू कैन एक्चुअली स्टिक टू, राइट? तो इसका क्या मतलब है? कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रैटेजीज जो आप खुद से नहीं डेवलप कर पाते हो, सो देयर यू नीड एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस, राइट? सो देयर द मेंटर्स विल हेल्प यू, राइट? मेक श्योर you have all the resources set for yourself. Make sure you have the right mindset and make sure you are ready to commit to your preparation. That is how you can ensure your seat in the NLUs, right? With this, I would like to end, and if you have any doubts, any confusion, please comment down in the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.